This is Mom playing
Woo!
Earthquake.
Earthquake!
Keep going.
Earthquake! Woo! Earthquake! Big earthquake coming! Woo! Big earthquake!
Keep going.
She won't stay. It's okay. It's okay. 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Woo! Earthquake! Earthquake! Big earthquake! Woo! Woody! That's a good girl. You just love it, don't you?
This is Anya, right? Or Sasha?
This is Sasha.
And that's 45 seconds I'll never get back.
Hmm? She'll stay here for a while. She likes it. Woo! Little earthquake. Woo! Little earthquake.
So when did you start this game?
Oh, I don't know. 2 or 3 months ago, maybe 6 months ago.
Rob, what's your commentary on this?
Woo!
speechless.
Big earthquake. Woo! Big earthquake.
The only thing, it was even more ridiculous when it was hurricane.
And when we decided it was earthquake.
But that's not appropriate right now.
Okay.
Got enough?
Bye, Porcupine.